Hello friends, so this is a quick unboxing of the Samsung Level U2 which I ordered from the Flipkart, and I would like to tell you that here is the box packing of this. I would like to tell you that if you go for the Amazon and you will search Samsung Level U, you will get the old version, but on the Flipkart you will get its next gen version Samsung Level U2, and it is little bit cheaper than its older version. Here I can show you its manufacturing and all. On the side only this side only this is like for the I think delivery purposes. Here you can see its model name, manufacturing month, year, and all other details. And here is its price quoted on the box, but on the Flipkart you will get it on the discount. So let's break the seal. I have to break the seal with the hand because I have nothing with me right now, so I have to just do it like this and open it up. And when I take the delivery of this, it was very lightweight, so I thought that my earphone is inside this or not, because it is like so lightweight. I don't have nails, so it is taking me time to peel off this seal. I just break it up the seal, so just take it out from here. So let me just show you this. And I know I opened it from the wrong way, sorry guys. It should be opened from here, not from down. Let me just open it and show you. So let's just continue the video, guys. Here is the box. Here is the main content. Nothing is inside that. Camera is not focusing. Here is the card from Samsung, quick start guide and all. It come up with this, but that's strange. I don't receive any charging cable inside it. I think Samsung don't want to give us the charging cable for this thing. It is pretty flexible. Here is the ear plug. It is quite well inside this. So as we see, here is its charging point. It must be something here. Here is its control. Here is Samsung branding. It is clearly written at it is Samsung. Thanks for watching. Here is the control. This is the power button. This is the power button, volume rocker, and this is the main button. If we press it once, it is used to like take call, cut call in the one press. We can take call in the two presses. We can disconnect the call. For this is from the volume. It is for the play pause for the music. If we want to in next song, we have to click it twice. If we have to do previous song, then we have to click it 3 times. And here it is, the Samsung Level U, brand new. And that was a quick unboxing for that. And here is the plug for its charging. So let me see which kind of connector does it need, because I just have the unboxing of Samsung M02, so I think that will be used. Or no, it has type C connector as you can see, but I think I have a type C connector. So yeah, this is the quick unboxing of this. Thanks for watching.